Hello, welcome to today's class. As usual, my name is Daddy Lumba. We are going to deal with Ankwanoma by Daddy Lumba. We are going to take you through the guitar lines in it. By the end of this video, you will be able to play the introduction of Ankwanoma and then some of the chopping lines of the guitar in the song. If this is your first time of seeing my video on YouTube, kindly hit on the subscribe button, check the notification bell, leave a comment and give a thumbs up. Perhaps you want one-on-one lesson. My number is on the screen. You can contact me through WhatsApp and we discuss your challenge. So without wasting your time, let us begin. In this video, we are going to use F major. We are playing F major. We will play D minor. We will play B flat major. We will play B flat major, and then we will play C major, this form. All right, good. So that is F, B flat, C major, D minor. So in alphanumeric, we can say 1, 4, 5, 6. Good. So we are going to look at the arrangement and how we are going to play each and every one or every note. In the introduction, it plays one-on-one, so watch out. Alright, so this is how it was played. So look at me very carefully. Let me take it again. Ti 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 do, la ti la, la ti so, mi fa. Okay, that's the first phase. So Then the second phase, again. Again. Once more. It plays 2 times. So you play the first part and then you play the second part as well. Alright. So you play then you play it again. Then the chopping comes in. You start with D minor, then you come to B flat, then you come to C, then you go to F. So you can see that the chopping is very, very important. In other words, the strumming. All right. So you can see you can play like this.